Hey, welcome back friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and today I'm coming on here to do the final review or show and tell of the beautiful vintage botanical file folder album that I taught you guys how to make right here on YouTube. Okay, so I use the Simple Vintage Botanicals collection by Simple Stories. Beautiful. It's beautiful collection. Oh, very pleased with this paper. They outdone themselves. Alright, this file folder album is 9.5 by 11. Okay, and it really is fabulous. And I done the Tyvek attached white Tyvek. I colored it with alcohol ink. It turned out amazing, amazing. Why I hadn't thought about alcohol ink before now. I done it about a month ago, and I really like it. I really like it. So, and it just adds strength to your file folder. Yeah, it's gotten pretty chunky. Who doesn't love a chunky album? Alright, so I used some of the embellishments from the sticker collection on my tabs. And there's the back of it. I had to wind up piecing it in because I only used one paper pack to do this whole album. The whole album. Okay, so you will see cardstock and in here, you know, filling it in. So on here, I just put a piece of paper of the collection here, and then it had smaller butterflies, but I wanted bigger butterflies, so I took some of the stickers from the collection and just stuck it on top. Alright, so we have a belly band here, and this is just a booklet. I left the inside and the back plain because I want to save room for photos. Okay, so then we have a flip here, and I just stuck a piece of black cardstock on that 1/2 inch there. That was a decorative 1/2 inch that I done. And then I have this. Oh, this paper is just amazing, guys. Just amazing. And then you have some flips here. And then we have a little tuck spot here. And it just tucks right back underneath there. And then we have a pocket here. And again, I usually leave the backs blank. But if you guys haven't checked out this paper collection, please do, because it is fabulous, and it is Simple Stories. And then this is a photo mat. As some of the cut aparts, but I left it all. I just thought that looked pretty cool. Nice big pocket. You could put a couple of booklets in here if you wanted to. Now this is what my patchwork page that I done. So I just, you know, piece it together. And that's all it is. You just piece it together. I do have the paper collection on my website, scrappingitup.com with no G. You get the essential kit that comes with the sticker sheet and the washi tape and stuff. Check it out, guys. I do have it on my website. I do offer free shipping, and the only thing, I can't get the bits and pieces anymore. It's already been retired, so you don't get that. Okay, but you get the sticker sheet, the chipboard stickers, and the paper collection, and the basic color collection too. So check it out. And this is the back side of the patchwork page, so you could put a photo here. You could journal right here. Then we have another nice pocket here. This album's got quite a few pockets. And then here's another pocket here, and I just used my ruler and my marker and made lines on it so you could journal. because I'm not one that can write straight. I have to have lines. And I just used my ruler, put my ruler on it, and drew lines on it. So that just goes back in that pocket. I hope you guys make this album. It really is a very nice album. It's made out of all file folders. I do show you how to make this from start to finish. I will put the link down below where you could go check it out. And there's that. I love file folder albums. I love them. I just love the look of them. And I finally got me some black ones, so I'm going to be doing some projects with some black ones. And then again, this is the very back. And then it's a little booklet. Just like that. Okay, I will put the link down below if you want to check out the tutorial I've done on this, on how you can make this. I'll put the link down below if you want to go to my website and check out the kit that is available for this. So, and I do have, if you go to my website and go to my blog, I do have the free cutting guide and written instructions for you on this, okay? This is what we kind of done for a prelude of March Madness, okay? All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. We'll see you in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye, guys.